Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that is increasingly relevant in today's technology landscape: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD automation for production-ready systems. As the world of artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the ability to deploy models effectively and efficiently has become a critical skill for data scientists and engineers alike. So, whether you're working on machine learning projects, deep neural networks, or any other AI applications, this video is tailored for you. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what CI/CD means. CI stands for continuous integration, and CD can refer to either continuous delivery or continuous deployment. Both processes are essential for modern software development, ensuring that code changes are automatically tested and deployed with minimal manual intervention. In the context of AI, this means that as soon as a model is trained and validated, it can be automatically pushed into production, enabling businesses to respond quickly to changing data and user needs. Now, let's start our journey into the world of AI model deployment pipelines. Understanding the AI model deployment pipeline. Before implementing a CI/CD automation process, it's crucial to understand what an AI model deployment pipeline looks like. An AI model deployment pipeline typically consists of several stages: data collection, data preprocessing, model training, model evaluation, and finally, model deployment. Each of these stages involves several steps that ensure your model is not only functional but also reliable and efficient. First, we begin with data collection. This step involves gathering data from various sources, which could include databases, APIs, or even web scraping. Once the data is collected, it needs to be pre-processed. This step can involve cleaning the data, handling missing values, normalizing the data, and splitting it into training and testing sets. It's vital that these pre-processing steps are well defined, as they significantly impact the performance of the AI model. Next comes the model training phase, where you select the appropriate algorithm and train the model using the prepared data. This step may involve hyperparameter tuning to optimize the model's performance. After training, the model must be evaluated using the testing dataset to determine its accuracy, precision, recall, and other relevant metrics. Finally, once you have a model that meets your performance criteria, it's time for deployment. But deploying a model isn't the end of the story. Continuous monitoring and performance evaluation are necessary to ensure that the model performs well over time and can adapt to new data or changing conditions. Introduction to CI/CD in AI. Now, let's explore how CI/CD fits into this pipeline. The goal of CI/CD in AI is to automate the stages of your model deployment pipeline, allowing for faster iterations and reducing the risk of human error. With CI/CD, you can ensure that every change made to your codebase goes through a series of automated tests before it is deployed. In the CI phase, each time a developer makes a code change, the system automatically runs a series of tests to check for any issues. This process helps catch bugs early in the development cycle and ensures that the codebase remains stable. In the context of AI, this can include testing the training scripts, pre-processing functions, and even the model inference code. In the CD phase, changes that pass all the automated tests can be automatically deployed to a staging environment or even to production, depending on the level of automation you choose. This allows for a more seamless transition from development to production, as well as quicker feedback loops. Setting up the CI/CD pipeline. Now that we understand the importance of CI/CD in AI model deployment, let's explore how to set up this pipeline from scratch. There are several popular tools and platforms available, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, CircleCI, and GitHub Actions, which facilitate the automation process. The first step in setting up your CI/CD pipeline is to choose a version control system, typically Git, to track changes in your codebase. This involves creating a repository for your project where all your code, data processing scripts, and model files will reside. Once you've established your version control system, you can start incorporating CI tools. For example, if you're using GitHub, you might consider using GitHub Actions. This tool allows you to create workflows that automatically run tests and deploy your model whenever changes are pushed to the repository. Next, you'll want to define your testing strategy. For an AI model, this might include unit tests for your code, integration tests for your data pipeline, and performance tests for your model. This is a critical step, as it ensures that your model and its surrounding infrastructure function correctly. You should also set up a containerization strategy using tools like Docker. Containerization allows you to package your model and its dependencies into a single unit, making it easier to deploy across different environments. This ensures consistency and helps eliminate issues related to different runtime environments. Once your tests and containerization strategy are configured, it's time to create a deployment strategy. Depending on your use case, you may want to deploy your model to cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. These platforms often provide services specifically designed for deploying machine learning models, such as AWS SageMaker or Google AI Platform. Automating the existing pipeline. Now that we've covered the foundational elements, let's talk about how to automate the existing pipeline. Automation is key to achieving scalability and efficiency in your deployment process. The first step is to implement automated triggers in your CI/CD pipeline. For instance, you can set up your pipeline to trigger automatic testing and deployment whenever code is pushed to the main branch of your repository. You can also automate the model training process. Using tools like MLflow or Kubeflow can help you manage your machine learning lifecycle. These tools allow you to track experiments, manage model versions, and even automate the retraining of models based on new data. Additionally, you can implement monitoring tools to keep an eye on your model's performance once deployed. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana can be integrated into your CI/CD pipeline to monitor various metrics, such as response times, accuracy, and other relevant KPIs. This ongoing monitoring is essential for ensuring that your model continues to perform well and meets user needs. Dealing with data drift. One of the challenges faced in deploying AI models is the issue of data drift. Data drift occurs when the statistical properties of the input data change over time, which can lead to a decline in model performance. To mitigate this, your CI/CD pipeline should include steps to monitor for data drift and trigger retraining when necessary. There are various techniques for detecting data drift, including statistical tests and machine learning methods. Incorporating these checks into your CI/CD pipeline allows you to create a feedback loop that ensures your model remains relevant and effective over time. For instance, you can set up a script that runs periodically to compare the incoming data distribution with the training data distribution. If a significant shift is detected, you can automatically trigger retraining of the model with the latest data. This way, your model can adapt to changing conditions without manual intervention. Best practices. As we move towards the conclusion of our video, let's discuss some best practices for building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD automation. First, maintain clear documentation of your pipeline processes. This includes documenting your data sources, pre-processing steps, model architecture, and testing strategies. Clear documentation facilitates collaboration among team members and helps onboard new developers more quickly. Second, prioritize testing. Ensure that you have comprehensive tests in place for every part of your pipeline. Not only should you have unit tests for your code, but also integration tests and end-to-end tests that validate the entire workflow. Third, embrace versioning. This applies not only to your code but also to your models and datasets. Keeping track of versions allows you to roll back to previous versions of your model if necessary and aids troubleshooting. Lastly, continuously iterate on your CI/CD pipeline. As your model evolves and your system requirements change, be willing to adapt and refine your pipeline. This flexibility will ensure that your deployment strategy remains effective and aligned with your business goals. Conclusion. As we wrap up this discussion on building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD automation, I hope you now have a clear understanding of the components involved and the strategies you can employ. By adopting CI/CD practices in your AI projects, you can achieve faster deployment cycles, enhanced collaboration, and ultimately, a more robust product. Thank you for tuning in. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI, machine learning, and automation. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What challenges have you faced in deploying AI models? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of technology.